Here's a problem in Adobe Premiere Pro version 2020. The video is shown two times. Here is shown once and there is shown once again. And both of them are pressed in from the side. Okay, this laptop does not have a dedicated graphics card and probably that's why it is shown in this bad manner. So to fix this problem, come here to File, go down to Project Settings, General, and here at Render, don't use that GPU acceleration, but use the next one, which is Software Only. And close this window with OK, and after that the video will be shown only one time, not two times. One time. And that's it. The problem was corrected, but of course now the playback will not be fast, but on this laptop it's not fast at all because it's way too old, but at least when I export the video it will be shown once and not two times.